So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is generate out contents. But let's say you want an SEO optimized content. So you can just go ahead and give a prompt so that it actually goes ahead and writes an SEO optimized content for you. So I'm just going to go around and give Claude a role. So I'm just going to go around and say, as an expert a travel blogger, let's say for example, write a blog of about 500 words on write a blog of about 500 words on let's say traveling to Yangon right here, and then write a blog about 500 words on traveling to Yangon, and then make sure to use funny language right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say for example, make sure to make the article SEO optimized right here. So once I go ahead and send this, I just did the same thing that I would while generating out a regular content, but I added in this prompt that says make sure to make the article SEO optimized. So once that is done, what happens is that it simply goes ahead and then generates this out. So you can see that it is actually going ahead and then researching out the content right here, just like this for you. And then what happens is that you will get a fully SEO optimized article in a while. So you can see it is telling you what it is doing right here, just like this. And in a while, you got a travel guide right here, properly formatted. And you can see the SEO right here, just like this. And it is giving you a little graphics right here as well. And then this is what you have. So you can see that this is what you have right here. You got the title, you got the subtitle, you got the keywords right here for SEO, as you can see right here. And then you got all of the contents right here, just like this as needed. So as you wait right here, it's writing it down in 500 words right here, just like this. For example, you got eat everything, no really, everything right here, and so forth. So it's giving a funny content as well. So you can see that it says this is how it is SEO optimized, like this: a keyword rich title, subtitle with primary term Yangon, and then you got the tag keyword, then you got the subheading, bold mentions, and so forth right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then use fully SEO optimized article writing in Claude AI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.